Welcome to Ballot Bites. Today's bite is using multiple filters. From the left menu, navigate to Ballot. The ballot items shown here will share examples of using multiple filters. Ballot filters limit voting to specific member types for a selected item. Filtering requires the voter upload list to include the data that you would like to filter. This could be a region, a state, chapter, a zip code, or perhaps a member type. Our first example here will show creating an item with an AND filter, which means that all values must be true for the member to receive the ballot. So for our East Committee Chair, we're going to go ahead and add filter. Our voter column, we'll select region, and for the value, we'll go ahead and select East. SnapBallot automatically populates the drop-down values from your voter upload data. We'll click Create, and now you can see we have one filter set up for region and East. Once our region is set up, we're going to click on that. You'll see now that these are all the voters that we currently have in this filter for region and East. We'll add a column value to this filter for those members who have a status of active. So we'll go ahead and choose those and click Create. Now you can see in the summary that this ballot item will be delivered only to those in the East region and those who have an active status. If we go back to our ballot item, the filter will now display region as East and status as active for this item. Our next example will show how to set up a filter with an OR option. This filter is created using separate filters where either or any option would need to be true for that member to receive the ballot item. The Director of California and Hawaii chapter, we're going to add a filter. The voter column dropdown again will automatically populate the values from your voter upload data. We'll choose state and California first, and we're going to click Create. Now you'll see we have a filter set up that will only show this ballot item to those voters located in the state of California. Now let's add a second filter to include the members in the state of Hawaii. So again, we're going to choose state. For this one, we'll choose Hawaii and click Create. The director for the California and Hawaii chapter has two filters set up, so only those voters in the states of California or Hawaii will receive this ballot item. When you're finished, you can go ahead and click Back to Ballot. You'll return to your ballot dashboard. If you need to make changes, click the ballot item title, choose the filter, and you can delete filters or values or add additional filters as needed. Go ahead and choose Back to Ballot to return to your dashboard. This concludes the overview of creating multiple filters. Thanks for watching. Grab another bite in our series of quick tips at any time.